Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? When you're hungry, your stomach growls due to the process of peristalsis, which is the contraction of muscles in the stomach and intestines. This process continues even when the stomach is empty, as the digestive system is prepared to receive food. The growling sound occurs when air and digestive juices are pushed through the stomach and intestines. These sounds are amplified by the empty stomach, as there's less food to absorb the movement of gases and liquids. To prevent your stomach from growling, consider eating smaller meals more frequently, and try to maintain a balanced diet with fiber and protein to keep you full longer.